when we encounter these things in our Christian walk, yung mga things na hindi natin maipaliwanag, like things na dapat we assume na hindi na dapat nangyayari sa isang Kristiyano, we do things para ma-outweigh ulit ito, para mag-change yung ating situation or yung circumstance natin. What we do, which is not wrong, pero we put our faith in these things, ay yung we sing songs, o kaya dinadamihan natin yung prayer, o kaya mas dinadamihan natin yung Bible study, mas umattend tayo, o kaya mas nag-fellowship tayo with other believers. There's nothing wrong with that, and I recommend that you do that. Kaya lang, if we are putting our faith not in God, but in those things that we do, then dun nagkakaroon ng mga expectations na hindi tama in our Christian walk. Kasi marami pa namang nangyayari sa ating buhay na hindi natin napapansin because we are relying too much on the behaviors that we do. Sabi nga ng author dito, we are made up of deep layers that exist well beneath our day-to-day awareness. Ang sabi niya dito, para siyang iceberg na yung behavior natin, how we respond to things, kung ano yung nakikita natin at ng tao, 10% lang ito nung actuality ng ating whole well-being. Yung nagre-rely ulit tayo sa works. Relying on God, we are relying on the things that we do.